everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lindy Sherris. In this channel we make money online. We do crypto, we do stocks, and we also help with entrepreneurship. Guys, do you know that I have a website? You can go to that website and learn, guys. There's so much information there. You can also subscribe to my community. So today I'm going to show you how to create an online store to sell your digital products. Guys, do you know that you can create your digital products using Canva? If you don't know how to create a planner, there is a video that can show you how to do that, and it is a step-by-step guide. And if you want to fast track, maybe you are lazy saying you do not want to create any planners, I do have a bundle that you can buy with digital planners, with diaries. You don't need to create that if I already created. But now, for those of you who want to learn, because knowledge is power, but remember, knowledge that is not applied, it is going to trip you and fall. So now, let's go to my laptop so I can show you how to create this digital store. There is a video showing you how to create a planner or even digital products, so you can just go and watch that video. But now I'm going to show you how to create your store so you can sell that product. So you go to my website and then you will see system.io. You click it and then you just enter your email and click there to create an account. And then once you created an account, you get into a page like this. Click sites and digital stores. And then when you get here, you'll see that I already have a store, so you just click create and create a new one. Give it a name, and then after it will auto-populate the link part. So I'm just going to type Thrive product and click save. And then the next thing, the shop is created, but we do need to change the profile picture. So you just click the edit sign and you look for a picture that you want to select. So I did select this one. And the next part, you are going to add your digital, your social media pages. So I'm going to Instagram, and then I copy my link, and also on TikTok, then I copy my link. And please do remember to follow me on these pages. And then the next thing, you do have your links to your social media pages. And then now you need to add your bio. Guys, this day and age, we don't write our bios. We go to ChatGPT and just give it a prompt, type your simple English and explain what you want to sell or what you want your bio to be. So if you are selling digital product, just type, I want to create a bio for my shop where I'm selling digital product, and say something about that shop, and then it will create for you. And keep editing. If you don't like something, tell it to change it until you are happy. So for this class, I'm just going to copy this one so that we can continue. So let's go back and put our bio. So now we have header information. So can you see already that your shop is coming okay? And then you click save. And then the next thing, you click edit design top right. You select the design that you want. So I'm just going to select this one. And after selecting, you just click apply theme. So let me select this one and then click apply theme. So can you see the theme is changing on the left hand side? So now we have that. So the next thing, we're going to add our product. So we are selling a digital product, and also you can collect emails. You can do more, but for now we are selling. So you give your product a name. So it is a planner. You just type planner, or if you are selling different things, you can just type that. So I'm just going to type planner, and you will see how you don't need to fulfill the checkouts of this shop. It will automatically do that because we are going to upload their planner here. And when someone buys, we don't need to do anything. This system will already do the checkout and also send the email to this person. So can you see now I'm uploading the planner? So let's just go to Canva because I don't think I have it already. So you just go and click upload on your left hand side, drag and drop, and you just look for a planner. So I didn't find the planner, so you go back to Canva where you created, and then you just click share, and it will download, and then you download a PDF. And after downloading the PDF, you'll be able to upload now. So let's just upload, and after uploading, we'll have that in our shop. So remember, you have to upload the right one so that whenever a person buys, they'll be able to get the planner. So click select, and then you click upload. So the next thing that you're going to do now, you are going to to edit the confirmation email. So remember, this planner is going to be sent to the person automatically. So you want the person to have download link where they can download the planner, or you can just send the planner to this person. So now the planner is actually uploaded to the system. So I'm just going to select it. Now we have a planner that is uploaded. So now edit confirmation email is basically the email that the person is going to send. So have you noticed how sometimes you see an email with hi Lindy specifically to my name? So we have variables that you can select to make sure that if it's Tembi who's buying, it'll say hi Tembi. So you can see all these things you can use. So I'm just going to use first name. So I don't want it to start with thank you for your order. I just want it to start with hi Lindy or hi Tembi or hi John. So use a variable like this, and then it'll pick up the name from the person. So you can add even more variables, and then you can just type under your preview to see how the book will look. So use preview to do that. So I'm just going to save this. Now we have this information, and now the payment method. I am in South Africa, so when I selected South Africa, I already added cash on delivery. So let's say someone buys, I want to get the money. Maybe let's say I print copies and then I deliver to that person. But if you're not in South Africa, maybe like you are in USA, you can also use USA because we're selling global. Then it gives you an option of PayPal, also cash on delivery. There's also other payment method. I'll show you how to set up those payment methods so that you do not have to worry about that. And then you click save, and then the payment method is done. You click next, and then when you click publish, it means your store will be online. But now if there's errors, then you just check the error and see what you need to fix. So can you see that it's already ready on checkout? So you just click there and then it'll take you to the error. We didn't add the price of this digital product. So to add a price, you just click add this plus sign, and then you click add. You select the price that you want. So this is already added before, and if it's not added, you just click plus and it will give you an option to add the price that you want for your book. And then you just click save, and then the next thing you click next. So this will now publish. And if you're experiencing more errors, then it means there is a problem. So can you see now we have our digital product and we have our first product, but the thumbnail of this product is not good. So let's see. Can you see it's just an arrow pointing down, and we don't want that. We want a real product. So you're just going to click that, and then it will allow you to add a thumbnail. Can you see at the top? But where do we get the thumbnail? You go to Canva and you click the book that you are selling or the planner that you are selling, and then you do a screenshot of this, or you can just download the first part. So just to speed up things, I'm just going to do a screenshot, and then I will upload that, and I'll be able to have a product to show people what you are selling instead of having a downward arrow, which won't help people. So now I'm uploading the planner, and yeah, I am able now to select the thumbnail. So let's crop and select the image, and we are able now. Let's wait for that. So can you see now that the image is showing? So we can publish again. Our store is ready. Remember, when you see any message, every time you make changes, I think the price plan disappears. So you just click there to edit. So let's just select the price again. So this price plan you can add on at the top, but you can add it here as well. So let's just publish, then your store is done. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you did learn something from this video. This is the shop now, so you can keep adding products that you want to sell, and when people click, they'll be able to enter their details, see the price, and buy now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you now know how to create your store using system.io. So now we are ready to sell different things. So if you are looking to buy this planner, you can also buy, guys, and remember, you can do anything about it. You can sell it, you can print it, you can also create a store and sell. There's so much that you can do. So just to add the payment gateway, you go to settings under your photo, and then you'll see payment gateway on the left hand side. So you can add PayPal, you can add cash on delivery. This is giving them your banking details and all, so that they'll be able to send you the money, and then you can give them the planner. Thank you so much for watching.